Plumbing is done and pressure tested. This is it goes out to the hot water. Goes up through there. Tees off here to the shower. Comes down to the mixer. And there was one problem here, even though it showed green, it still was leaking under the pressure test. So he redid this bit. So where that goes, back to the tee. Over to here where it tees off again. I'll put all the cables in afterwards. It's still sealed. These ones got for the pressure test. And back to here again. Goes out to the feed. To the hot water. So it's to the washing machine. That's the washing machine drain. And they both come down to there. To a giant hole. And this is the pump feed for it. There's a massive hole. It's already looking sealed. I'm going to give it one more coat. That's like the first coat of silicone. I'll put a second coat on it. And then out here is where it comes out. So that's the hose. Put a hose onto that, or I'm going to put a pump onto submersible pump in the tank later. So that's the first coat, as you can see. I'll put a second coat again, and that's a hole that I cut out from on the other side. There's a solar isolator. And the hot water connected. And the electrical has a rubber hose over it that you saw inside, and I put that on the outside just to protect the rubber hose so it ages well. And I'll seal that up of course a bit better. First go. So it's pretty good for the first go. And perfect on the second go. So yep, that's all the plumbing done. I love that satellite.